Infatuate. To be overly in love or obsessed with someone. Example, he was infatuated with his classmate and couldn't stop thinking about her. Evil eye. A look believed to bring bad luck. Example, she was afraid someone might give her the evil eye. Uncouth. Not having good manners. Example, his uncouth behavior embarrassed everyone at dinner. Witchcraft. The practice of using magical powers, often thought to be harmful or evil. Example, people in the old days were afraid of witchcraft. Ingrate. A person who is ungrateful. Example, after all I did for him, he acted like an ingrate and didn't even thank me. Amulet. A small item or object that people wear or carry to bring good luck or to protect them from harm. Example, she wore an amulet to keep away bad luck. Superstition. Belief in something that is not based on reason or science. Example, the superstition says breaking a mirror brings bad luck. Gruff. Rough or unfriendly in manner or voice. Example, he spoke in a gruff voice, but he was kind inside. Brash. Too confident and rude. Example, she made a brash comment that upset her friend. Surly. Bad-tempered and unfriendly. Example, the surly guard refused to let us in. Unmannerly. Not polite. Example, it's unmannerly to interrupt someone while they're speaking. Hector. To bully or threaten someone. Example, he hectored his little brother into giving him the toy. Eager. Very excited and ready to do something. Example, the kids were eager to open their presents. Sluggish. Slow or lazy. Example, I felt sluggish after eating a big meal. Endure. To go through something hard and stay calm. Example, she had to endure long hours of work to support her family. Eloquent. Speaking or writing clearly and beautifully. Example, the speaker gave an eloquent speech that moved everyone. Envy. Feeling of wanting what someone else has. Example, she looked at her friend's new car with envy. Forswear. To promise to give something up. Example, he decided to forswear junk food and start eating healthy. Churlish. Rude or mean. Example, the waiter was churlish and didn't smile at all. Gab. To talk a lot, especially about unimportant things. Example, they like to gab on the phone for hours. Treachery. Hurting someone by breaking their trust or not being loyal. Example, his treachery shocked everyone when he stole from his own friend. Incantation. Words that are spoken to create or use a magic spell. Example, the wizard chanted an incantation to make the potion work. Insolent. Showing a lack of respect. Example, the student gave an insolent reply to the teacher. Agitation. Feeling of nervousness or worry. Example, he paced the room in agitation before the big test. Notoriety. Fame for something bad. Example, the criminal gained notoriety for his daring escapes. Persecute. To treat someone badly, especially because of their beliefs. Example, they were persecuted for their religion. Tenancy. The right to stay in or use a property. Example, their tenancy will end next month when the lease expires. Quixotic. Not real or not possible to do. Example, his quixotic plan to solve world hunger failed quickly. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.